Hi there, I have an important update for you regarding the Bannatyne Synthetic Bags. In a statement recently, Bannatyne informed their dealers that the synthetic fabric is presently unavailable. They've been let down by their main supplier. So the synthetic bags are presently being sent in a different colour, different fabric, but we've been reassured by Bannatyne that the quality is just as good, and obviously the guarantee, the 2-year guarantee remains as is. So therefore the synthetic, this is the standard synthetic Bannatyne bag. It's a black colour and has this sort of classic Gore-Tex feeling to it. And we've been receiving this type of bag. You can see it's a blue colour. It's a slightly different feel to the bag, but it has the membrane on the inside, etc. So if you receive a different colour Bannatyne bag, then that is simply because Bannatyne is unable to supply the black material as is. We've actually received some of the bags in this funky red colour. So if you do receive a bag in a different colour, a Bannatyne bag, then it's not a mistake. It's a temporary solution that Bannatyne are offering, and they do guarantee the quality of the bag. So that's an update on the Bannatyne synthetic bags.